If you're looking for apps that replace financial advisors for basic planning, you're in the right place. Forget the high fees and complex jargon. Today, we're talking about tools that let you manage your finances on your own, easily and efficiently, without any upselling or hidden incentives. Stick around till the end, because I'll be showing you one app that might surprise you, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. We all know financial advisors can cost a fortune. Some people pay thousands a year just for the privilege of someone else managing their portfolio. But what if I told you that in 2023, there are some tools that can help you do it yourself, and they're way more affordable or free? Let's get into the first one. Let's start with an app that's become a staple for so many. Mint is a personal finance powerhouse. It connects to nearly all your accounts and automatically categorizes your spending. You can see exactly where your money's going, which is super helpful for basic financial planning. Mint's budgeting tools let you set goals and track your progress, and it even sends reminders if you're about to go over your budget. What's more, it generates free credit reports, giving you a full snapshot of your financial health. All in all, Mint simplifies your financial life while giving you all the visibility you need to make informed decisions. Now, if you're looking to build a smarter financial strategy, but you don't want to deal with complicated spreadsheets, then WinAb, short for You Need a Budget, might be the app for you. WinAb goes beyond simple budgeting by teaching you the philosophy of giving every dollar a job. This approach helps you take control of your cash flow and think about long-term financial goals. The app focuses on helping you break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle by teaching you how to prioritize your spending. You can set up categories for savings, investments, and debts, and YNAB makes it easy to stay on top of it all. They even offer workshops to help you fine-tune your financial strategy. But here's the game changer that a lot of people don't know about: Personal Capital. Unlike some of the other apps that are more focused on budgeting and tracking, Personal Capital gives you a full financial snapshot, including your investment portfolio. It aggregates all your accounts, from checking accounts to 401ks, and provides a detailed analysis of your wealth and expenses. The tool's retirement planner is especially useful if you're starting to think about long-term goals. It compares your current savings to your retirement needs and gives you actionable recommendations to help you stay on track. And while other apps charge for investment advice, Personal Capital offers free tools to help you optimize your portfolio. But here's something you won't hear from most of the other videos on this topic. These apps may not be the one-size-fits-all solution for everyone. For some, especially if you're nearing retirement or dealing with complex financial situations, you might find these tools lacking in the personalized guidance you might get from an actual financial advisor. However, for basic planning, these apps work wonders, and they're all easily accessible. Before we wrap up, I want to talk about one last app that's less well-known but incredibly useful for anyone serious about saving and investing. It's called Acorns. Acorns automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It's a smart way to put money into your portfolio without even thinking about it. Whether you're putting spare change into stocks, bonds, or other types of investments, Acorns makes it simple and painless. Plus, with its Found Money feature, you get cashback rewards from partner brands that are automatically invested for you. If you've gotten value from this video, consider subscribing to support content that's not incentivized by affiliate links or commissions. This way, you can trust that I'm sharing the best tools for your financial future, free from any hidden agendas.